I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
This week, the neighbor's house gets a new barbecue table.
It's a little bit risky building furniture for your neighbors, especially big things that are going to take up presence in their backyard. So we wanted to kind of clear it with at least one of them. So we invited Steve into the design session. We wanted to kind of get his input.
He's got an eye into what Kathy would like.
And plus, if anything fails, we can blame it on him.
That's probably the simplest, smallest one you would probably go with.
We flicked through a few pictures with Steve. There's one with a built-in cooler.
That's something that I would like. I'm not sure Kathy would be.
Let's be clear about who we're building this for, Steve. He saw the L-shaped one. He was like, oh, that looks pretty good.
That looks like a skookum layout.
He picked a corner table, and I think it's going to look nice in the space.
How important is it to be able to move the whole table around?
You noticed how heavy it was. We need to be able to move it.
We're going to put the table on casters. It should be able to roll around.
But it's just the two of us. If we're going to test this out, we might want to have a couple or three more people over.
Get some of your friends over? And
yeah, all two of them.
And he brought up the fact, if we're going to build a barbecue table, we've got to have more than just us at the barbecue.
So we started our barbecue table build for our neighbor Kathy. Right now we're just building the frame for the table.
Does that look about right?
It looks pretty good. For the barbecue table, we're building the frame out of pressure-treated wood in an L shape for maximum prep surfaces. The entire table will be on caster wheels, so it'll be easy to move around. The frame of the table will be clad in cedar, which is weather resistant. In the back corner of our L, we'll mount a patio stone on the bottom, which will act as a cradle and a heat shield for the barbecue.
Meanwhile, I'll be working on the finer features of the table, such as a dry storage drawer for waste and fuel, a paper towel holder, and a magnetic knife rack. I'm also making a custom cutting board that, along with a drink cooler and hooks for barbecue tools, will accessorize the table. When complete, this barbecue table will bring our neighbor's kitchen outside for summer nights around the barbecue.
So I just got a little piece of metal to put over the pull-out cupboard. I imagine in here, Steve and Kathy are probably going to put things like garbage, maybe some charcoal, some fire starter and whatnot, so I didn't want it to get all wet from the rain. So I put a little piece of tin on it. Next up are the cedar deck boards that are going to go on the top. I'm going to glue and nail these down.
And then trim them to size. It looks nice in the space. Kathy, Steve.
Awesome.
You like your new barbecue table?
Is it mine?
It's yours.
Kathy loved her barbecue table.
Looks really nice.
Yeah, thanks for being such great neighbors.
Making us feel so welcome when we moved in. It's great. Really appreciate it.
What else can I lend you? I got a new barbecue table in tickle pink.
And I didn't have to build it.
And it's a good thing. That's gorgeous. That was a good surprise. I wasn't really expecting it.
I kept the secret pretty darn good.
Oh, look at that handle. That's awesome.
You don't have to say that, Kathy. We both know the handle is the worst part of this project.
Why did you do it?
Exactly. Your reputation precedes you.